We are about to see something good.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall, making his way to the ring from New York, weighing in at 184 pounds, the legend,
I don't always agree with it, but this superstar isn't afraid to come out here and take things by force.
Oh, you hypocrite. I'll just wait until another superstar, one you don't like, Saxton, decides to come out and take what they want, and we'll see how you respond then. This match has everyone backstage buzzing. He is an exciting competitor to watch.
All right, I love this guy.
and his opponent from the United States of America, weighing in at 600 pounds, Hunter Bannon Bates.
Ever since I took my spot here at the commentary table, I have wanted to call this match. I cannot wait to finally do it. He calls himself the standard bearer of this division and plans on proving it in a matter of moments.
This superstar loves a challenge, and he finds himself facing one here tonight.
Yeah, he's not afraid to stand up to anyone in this locker room, which sometimes gets him into trouble, but is definitely one of his more admirable traits as a competitor.
Never backing down from any challenger, no matter what.
And he has his work cut out for him here, facing off against someone who feels he's been disrespected lately. Someone who's really come out here with something to prove.
I do not know that I agree he's been disrespected lately, but if he wants respect, it would do him good to win this matchup. Endless blows!
Every strike more devastating than the last.
He climbs into the ring.
Oh, what a nasty knee lift.
Look at this, he just tossed the leg. It couldn't have felt good being chucked around like that. Able to give him the slip.
Just deadlifting right there. The power.
Into a power slam.
Talk about intimidation. I'm not sure if it's resilience or stupidity that's going to drive you to try and come back from a move like that.
Oh, using the knee.
Hope it ended here. Elevates the shoulder.
We'll need to get a little more to put this one away.
Straight impact on the throat. Oh, tossed aside.
I'll just leave it at this. Nobody comes into a match hoping to get chucked around like that.
To the outside.
This could get wild. Wait for it.
Alabama slam.
Clearly an attack that very few superstars can perform with such ease.
Thrown back in under the ropes.
Dodges.
Bash with a punch to the gut.
Ripcord applied.
Boom. Knock him down.
Ouch.
Hammer it away. He can end it here. And he easily stops the ref's count.
Loose cover leads to a strong kick out.
He moves just in time.
Looking for a little bit of high risk here, it seems. From the top.
You gotta be kidding me! The 1-2 punch of high risk high reward.
Boom! He's feeling the effects of that last hit.
Implanted by the DDT. He is delivering elbow after elbow.
Oh, man, the neck breaker. The adrenaline is pumping, and the WWE Universe is on his side.
Big risk here. He may be counted out.
He might be oblivious to the count, guys.
Stone Cold Stunner!
It's over. Will he be able to capitalize?
No, he beats the count.
Had to dig deep to break that pin.
But can it be done again? How much is left after that?
And the heaviest hitter in the arsenal was not enough. Did you see that? Propelled through the air. I don't like the look in his eye here, folks.
Perched up top.
Diving knee drop. He's going for the pin. This could be it.
Into the pay window.
Almost ended it there.
Now is not the time to wallow in disbelief. Pressure must be kept on. Careful, measured fist drop to the face. Nothing fancy, just a straight right.
And he's adamantly in control.
The advantage is squarely in his corner.
Ooh! He's taking this to the floor now. What a punch!
There's some power behind that punch.
How's that for a counter? And he tosses it back in now.
The sound of this crowd is deafening, and he's asking for more.
And countouts are legal, so hopefully this will be a short trip outside. He leaves the ring, but he could lose this match by countout. He reverses it.
Momentum going back to his corner.
He's trying to bring the fight back in this one.
Tossed back into the ring.
Oh my gosh, the lights are out. They're back on. Look behind you.
Kick to the midsection. Hoisted up. Disorienting spin and...
Oh, momentum into a spinning powerbomb.
Warm up the buses. This one's over.
Kicks out, just kicked out.
He is just barely still in the fight. I don't know how many more times he's going to be able to kick out after that. That was too close for comfort.
A new strategy is needed right about now if that couldn't end things.
Fought off with an elbow.
Buster! Got it scouted. Here's a cover. Could be it. Kicks out.
And you got to think he's just one final blow away from not kicking out next time.
Forearm to the jaw.
Here he goes for the win. Breaks the count.
So close. That could have been it.
Stone Cold Stunner.
It's over.
Leave the nightlight on for him. It's over.
And that'll finally do it. What a victory.
Here is your winner, the Legend. How?
Here's your winner after a truly intense match.
This is a victory you could truly be proud of. A victory earned through sheer tenacity and force of will.